elections, the nomination forms, there was a man for Kofani Ade in Semna Kwaku, Yibi Bray, and any general secretary Nankasa Et Nasi. He is the chief administrator of the party, in Semi and Komo. And we'll find time and speak about other issues in parliament, in the executive. But before that, Nunim say, and driver for Amayate say transport fares. And I think last week, the transport minister in Kuomo said by Monday, they would agree on the new percentage increment in transport fares. And the editor say a 15%. Obekaya concerned drivers for they were they put out 30%. But after negotiation, they don't now agree on 15%. Yene transport unions in Penyefone bedi ehon komo CCR. But in Parliament, and so there seemed to be some disquiet in Parliament. Now, if the absence of some members of Parliament, on the floor of Parliament. Now, in the NPP, there are issues about the availability of Adwoa Sarfo in Parliament, or a member of Parliament for Dome-Kwabenya constituency. And some leading members of the party have had cause to complain. She's holding the entire party to ransom. No person or trade your bay and wako US na maybe on Parliament ne kramin si hone in semna kwako ebibri and they be say all the demands at two tables so man deputy majority leader and I said deputy finance minister pa won si Ghana hebio in semno bebre and I'm so ma MPs ni bebre na akasa ede afa ho. But some members of the minority so have actually jumped to her defense. And if one of them Honorable Chill.Okudzeto Ablakwa na post on Facebook about 32 minutes ago, or say the vote and proceedings confirming the absentee status of the offending 3 NPP MPs remain intact and well secured. The unprincipled discrimination against Sarah Adwoa Sarfo by her own colleagues simply because of the obnoxious e-levy must cease forthwith. 3 by-elections, not 1. Into your chiremua, say a bassa MP before your madrin say, Adwoa Sarfo Nkwana, I miss me only say Mranica say, won't me may say proceedings for 15 parliamentary sitting days in a row. Without permission from the speaker, 15 parliamentary sitting days in a row, o may say parliament was soon 8 years. Without permission from the speaker, your seat can be declared vacant. And that would occasion a by-election. Unless your absence with the approval of the speaker. And yes, I was one say. The Okudzeto Ablakwa Kenyana say, apart from Sarah Adwoa Sarfo, there are other 2 NPP MPs, 15 parliamentary sitting days. I may say, into the focus should not be just on Adwoa Sarfo. It is a bus for Mokas Adwoa Sarfo may say. In the end, declare the seat vacant now by election because what Dame Kwabenya. Then about 3 by elections, not just 1. And Okudzeto Ablakwa, as part of this post on Facebook, I take a shot of all the attendance. And when in Uber Facebook, you decide the post where you the atoho where Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa. Yeah, the atoho. So I will post now. Accompanying this post, a shot of all the votes and proceedings of Parliament. In Nipa, attendance in Parliament. And we're not chemwa, cover all the 3 absentee MPs. 3. In the post, this is the vote and proceedings confirming the absentee status of the offending 3 NPP MPs remain intact and well secured. Unfortunately, he stopped short of mentioning the names. Of course, Yeni Adwoa Sarfo, but who are the other 2? Domi or the Dine Kahon? Who the other 2 MPs are? I don't know, but I don't need post to him. Names need post to him. And on the Twitter, okay, let's see. Send them in a Twitter, Twitter or the Twitter about this particular story. I'm told say on Twitter the obo MPs krone edin. MPP MPs 3 now monso. I may say 15 parliamentary sitting days, for which reason, if we're going strictly by the letter of the law, it was so monsono. If it is without and a conditional, if it is without the approval of the speaker, monsono seat would have to be declared vacant. On Twitter, okay, in the Twitter, the end thorough, and a lengthy post. On Twitter, say, from a thorough and unimpeachable assessment of the vote and proceedings of Parliament between October 26, 2021 and November 24th, 2021, 26th to 24th, 15 days. Okay, yeah, that's even more than 15. Between October 26th, 2021 and November 24th, 2021, 2 NPP MPs, Ken Ohene-Ejapan and Henry Korte, who is also Greater Accra Regional Minister, were absent without permission, without permission from the Right Honorable Speaker Alban S.K. Bagben for 18 working days each. 18 working days each. And Mamin Kai must say, yeah, boy, home this year, Benya. Honorable Okudzeto Black one and Kasawa, I'm told, say, Parliament is currently in session, and you're putting a home on fat. Me just say, obey na catch and say, friend, in the on farmer yen don't see me mu esuko kakra. Or say, I am therefore perplexed and wondering in all sincerity the basis for the discriminatory and unprincipled attacks on Sarah Adwoa by our colleagues on the NPP side of the House, and particularly from Ken Ohene-Ejapan, who is equally guilty of the same offense he's been raving and ranting about. In all fairness, we expect and will also ensure that the Privileges Committee considers the matter of 3 absenting MPs and not 1. Article 97(1)(c) of the 1992 Constitution and Order 16(1) of our standing orders must not and will not be applied selectively. Realistically, Ghanaians should be preparing for 3 by-elections in Ascent Central, Ayawaso Central, and Domiko Abenya constituencies. Wow. And we are indeed in for an interesting ride. Inti Oba ne tweet no yeah the ato Facebook live yeah streaming no ubitime dey make kan ye edaho for the avoidance of doubt. Inti Oba ye Facebook live stream na ubehu. And it's really getting interesting. In the other chiremo omonso ayo calculations and who say for 18 parliamentary sitting days and as a working days enya Adwoa for pen na absent. In fact, 2 other MPs were absent. Omo nyina no nso no enya de omo etumi eba parliament. Inti ni nyina ye enkomo ababa betodwa yebehwe na yetumi edi. Inti monsha nso emayeba. We'll get into this story. Any Okudzeto Black Kwabedi nkomo enche bia ewo ahomans no mo hu said enioma isi echo. Sound of our time on Ekosi saying is sponsored by Edu Motors. Your light has come. UPI, formerly near from Uniac Practical Institute, Provident Insurance with Provident, Man, Yakavet, and Agbove Herbal Center. May hear some segment in so Fabricam Pharmaceuticals, your health, our priority. Obapa product. Also Wara Obecheki, EcoBank Ghana, the Pan-African Bank, Awake Purified Drinking Water, and a Rockstars Roofing Systems. Also quality and affordability. Your interviews are here on this show, including your one-on-one interviews. And the monim see John Boedu Nasi Edin Komo.